In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Eventbrite event. We'll use the desktop version so you can see every option clearly. Start by heading to the Eventbrite website and signing into your account. If you're brand new, click Sign Up and create an account first. It only takes a minute and gives you access to your organizer dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click Create, then select Event. Eventbrite supports in-person events, online events, and recurring events, and you can run them as free, paid, or donation-based. Choose the type that best fits your plan so the right fields appear as you go. Next, fill in your core event details. Enter a clear, specific event title and your organizer name so attendees know who's hosting. Set the date and time, making sure the time zone is correct. For location, add the full venue address for an in-person event, or paste your online event link if it's virtual. You can also note that the link will be emailed closer to the date if you don't have it yet. Add a category and tags to improve how easily people can find your event in search. Now write your event description. Explain what the event is about. Include a simple schedule or agenda. List any speakers or special guests, and outline rules or requirements such as age limits, what to bring, or accessibility notes. Keep it clear and helpful so attendees know exactly what to expect. Add visuals to make your page compelling. Upload a strong cover image and any additional photos or short videos that showcase the vibe, speakers, or venue. High-quality visuals can boost interest and improve your event's visibility. Create your tickets next. You can set up free tickets, paid tickets, donation tickets, and special options like VIP or early bird tickets. Define the quantity available and set your pricing. If you're offering early bird access, add an end date to encourage timely signups. Match your ticket quantities to your venue capacity or virtual seat limit. Customize the registration form if you need more information from attendees. You can request details like phone number, company, dietary restrictions, or add custom questions. Only collect what's necessary to streamline checkout and respect attendee privacy. Click Preview to review your event page from an attendee's perspective. While reviewing, configure your refund policy so expectations are clear, adjust visibility and search settings to make your event public or private, and enter payout details if you're selling paid tickets to ensure smooth payment processing. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your event live. That's it. You've just set up your Eventbrite event, and you're ready to welcome attendees.